So, welcome again to another random hobby channel. So, this is our second and hopefully later third pack of the Edge of Eternities Packmas. Sabi nga nila that is something Bayrish here, Packmas. Pero sa atin, di ba? Wala lang. So, let's start. Shattered Wings, Flight Tech Coordinator, Virus Beetle, Virus Kiefer, Illvoy Operative. Ano pa bang pwede nating i-up and crack dito? So far, happy ako doon sa Ice Steel Explorer. Swerte talaga ni Tifa. Saumaton Torpedo, Bright Spear Zealot, Vault Guard Trooper. Paano kayo nag-a-arrange kapag nagbubukas kayo ng mga packs nyo? Ako kasi dyan yung lands, yung mga foils, rares, and commons. So, Mouth of the Storm. Ooh, Starfield Shepherd. Nice. I love the art. Wow, Warping Whale. It looks like an alien. Yeah, it's an alien. Duh. Nice. Lagyan natin dyan. Sama natin dyan. And Susur Sikundi Void Altar is our gold Chorbalu. Cloud Sculpt Technician is our foil, and our basic land and tokens. So far, happy din ako na yung boyfriend ng kawork ko is also playing MTG. So, I gave him yung German version ng starter deck kit na Final Fantasy. Yeah. Kasi hindi ko naman magagamit nun. May extra ko lang yun. So, binigay ko na lang. I'm a player, not a collector din naman kasi. Kaya, tignan natin. Hindi kaya. So, siguro sa next video na tong third pack. So, see you guys there. Maybe later. Ciao, ciao!